from July. At number 1, of course, is
Line.
Everybody in my section.
number 2. We need to talk about this Clicks and Girth link up. Number 3. The Pharrell production on this track, where he reversed the hi-hats and clap, is crazy.
Smoke. So be it, so be it.
Number 4. I'm not a big drum and bass fan, but something in this track does something to me. Number 5. This track. Honorable mentions.
I drop 'em, sock 'em, bop 'em, bitty bitty, pop a bottom.
Don't forget to go follow my Loud playlist on Spotify. It's been updated every Sunday for 8 years.